What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today we're doing something real quick. I'm going to figure out these tires. Did the car wash the other day and just didn't do the tires because I was like in a huge rush. So the car's clean, it's all dry, everything's been good, but this is outrageous. I haven't cleaned the tires and wheels for I don't know, most of the winter, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna pull out the hose and use one of my favorite tire cleaners, the Armour Detail Supply tire cleaner, and I'm gonna try this out. This is the Oberk slick shoes that I've had for a while. So as far as dilution ratio goes, I've seen a lot of people I follow, they use 3-to-1 or 2-to-1. So for me, I went in the middle. So it was like probably like a 2.5-to-1 dilution ratio. What I'm gonna do is pour that into my second Hawk applicator, because this thing just makes life obnoxiously easy. So once everything's cleaned and dried, I'm going to go through each wheel. I'm going to put this on, and we're just going to see. I heard this levels pretty well, and it's a good product. It smells awesome. Not that that has anything to do with anything, but you know, it's something you have to mention. So let's just attack this and get this done. Why wouldn't it? Why wouldn't it start raining right now? Why wouldn't it start raining? Is there any reason why it wouldn't? It's pretty crazy considering how bad this tire was, that there's like little to none remaining. You really don't need 2 passes with this tire cleaner. My tires are like extra dirty, so just good to be thorough. So that's awesome. Nothing on there. Not that you could see that. That was a really stupid test. But yeah, I'm gonna go through and clean all the tires, and then hopefully it's about to downpour. I could feel it. But I'm going to try to get this together, and hopefully I'm not going to get soaked, but I will be washing my tires in the rain, because I don't care. Now the hard part's over. I can do the fun part now. This wasn't always the fun part. Now it's the fun part. So we got my dilutioned mixture of slick shoes in this bad boy, and we're going to fully send it onto the car. the first hit when it comes to this is always going to be pretty savage. But this applicator, man, it just makes life so much better. Can't even begin to explain it. It's like the freaking Mona Lisa. I gotta get inside. It's starting to rain. God damn it. Yep, the rain. Literally the worst possible scenario happened right now, right? The rain comes and then it just ends up doing a sun shower so I could get, oh, I can't even say I'm gonna get water spots, but I just goddamn washed the vehicle the other day. Looks good. Applicator is an absolute beaut. It's like the best thing that could ever happen. But unbelievable. As far as Oberk goes, it levels out awesome, smells good, and it's controllable. You could do, like they say, natural to high gloss finish, and also the versatility of this product is pretty cool. You could do tires, trim, engine, and interior, so really anything. It's just pretty remarkable. I got to use my new ectoplasm brush that just came in, and again, I mean, not a shocker, but I love it. So I didn't get a chance to use this like I would normally, switch back and forth because I was kind of in a rush getting soaking wet. And this, I'm going to be probably picking up a gallon of this now. This is my second bottle, and it's just totally worth it. Totally worth it. As is this. Totally worth it. But yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I truly appreciate the support. You know the smell that hold on. I was wondering what this smelled like, and I was catching vibes of a certain smell that, you know what this smells like? Swear to God. Can't tell me it doesn't smell like it. Where is it? Where is it? Here we go. I'm telling you. It smells just like that. It's like its twin. So, high shine finish tune. So, I don't know. Who knows? Methinks maybe it's the same thing. Maybe. Which would make sense in ways, because yeah, but honestly, the smell and the usage of it, I've loved this product for a long time. So possibly this is a ready to use. Maybe this is just a concentrated version that you can dilute and whatnot, but I don't know, something's up. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Posted about this just now on my Instagram, but I almost had a panic attack. It started to rain, a sun shower, of course, right? And if you are into cleaning your car, you know how much that sucks. So it rained, and then it sunned, and it stopped raining. Not a cloud in the goddamn sky, not one. So I had to run out in a fit, in an absolute fit, a tiffy, a tizzy. What are you calling it? I'm gonna call it whatever it is. I almost shat myself, so I ran outside with my leaf blower. Anyway, disaster averted. Everything's good. We're good. And I had to get the roof too, because it's of course black, and that sucks. But yeah, I'm talking about this on my Instagram. This is definitely one and the same. I can't be told otherwise. I would bet a testicle, strictly because whether or not I have another kid, that's up to God. So I don't necessarily need both balls. And I'm just letting you know that this amazing tire cleaner, obviously this is good because I really think that this is hyperdressing. And if you know hyperdressing, then you know hyperdressing is pretty awesome. It's like one of those untold secrets, except I'm convinced that this is the ready to use and this is a concentrate. So you could, the perk of this is you could dilute it based on what you want. But then again, you could water this down a little bit and get similar effects. Whatever it is, you know. support whoever you want. I really don't give two flying poops. I have to clean up now and go upstairs. Productive afternoon. I don't get many of these. Yeah, I love you guys. Bye.